Hi, I'm Emily,
And I'm Aliayah.
and we're interns at the Environmental Learning Center in Vero Beach, Florida, and we're inviting you to take a closer look.
Animals use their colors for many things: to warn, to hide, and to even communicate.
Animals use their bodies to blend in with their surroundings, also known as camouflage.
They use this camouflage to hide from predators and to hunt for prey.
Today, you're going to need your Nature Review light and color instructional packet, leaves, gloves, cutout of a hand, and a needle and thread.
A closer look around the area that you've chosen to do this project in. What colors, textures, and shapes do you see? Around us, there's greenery, so we chose green leaves to sew onto this glove.
The first thing you're going to want to do is cut this out from this paper and slide this hand into your glove.
Using your needle and thread, attach items that you have found from your environment to the glove. Go.
This is what your glove should look like.
This is what your glove should look like once you've covered up the entire glove. Look how well it blends in.
That was your Nature Near You Color and Light Camouflage project. Comment down below your projects.
Hope you had a fun time.